You have waited for us in this pouring rain. I know what it means. It means that you wanted to welcome us from your hearts. You want to hear what we have to say for you. And you support us wholeheartedly. Before I start speaking, I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for the immense support that you gave me in my election. You belong to a culture and a tradition that stands for everything our constitution and our nation stands for. You have a multi-religious culture, a truly secular culture that deserves the respect of the whole of India. Members of your society here have worked tirelessly to build it, to strengthen your society and to strengthen your roots. I feel so proud whenever I visit because I see schools, orphanages, universities, so many good works done by your community. It is this culture, this ideology, this spirit of service, of community, regardless of religion, regardless of differences, that we are fighting for. And there is nothing more important today than for us to strengthen your culture, strengthen this tradition of unity with which we can stand together as one and face everything that we have to face. Especially today, when there is so much anger, so much divisiveness being spread, we need to be clear. We need to speak for peace. We need to speak for development. And we need to elect decent, courageous people who devote their time towards real work, helping to uplift society and understanding very well what their duty towards the people is.
ഇന്ന് ഈ രാജ്യം വിഭജിച്ചു നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ, ഈ രാജ്യത്ത് വലിയ രീതിയിലുള്ള വിദ്വേഷം പടർത്തുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രവർത്തനം നമ്മുടെ ജനങ്ങളെ ഒരുമിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ നടത്തേണ്ട പ്രവർത്തനത്തിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു സമയത്താണ് നമ്മൾ നിൽക്കുന്നത്.